Little hailstorm. Holy cow. Glad I parked in the garage today. Holy cow. Never saw hail like this. Come on. Catch one. Ow. Oh. Ow. I think I'm stuck in the garage for a little while. It's been doing this for 10 minutes. There's a girl taking out her garbage in this stuff. What are you, nuts? Let's get her on camera. You dummy. A car just went by. Look at the tire tracks. It's unbelievable. This is deep. Another guy just got in his car. No one has umbrellas around here. I find that very funny. It really doesn't rain much out here. Guess this isn't rain technically, right? Dave Murray, where are you? You would love this. It has been... Woo! Holy cow. It's been hailing at least 10 minutes. This is ridiculous. I'm stuck in a garage, thankfully. Looks like winter. It just won't stop. It's been doing this for 40 minutes. Look how thick this is. Ow. Ow. Ooh, man, that hurts. Hold on. It's all hail. See if I can hit my car from here.